Hello guys, it's me, Abigail. I wanted to show you the parakeets that I have, and I almost broke my back today, and so I wanted to show you the parakeets, even though I have to do this. They're right there. Can I zoom in? No. I thought I could zoom in. It's painful when you almost break your back, and it hurts. I'm not going to even tell you their names, but just comment below which one is your favorite one. This one right here that walks away. Bluey. Right there. He walks away from me. Right there. Bluey. That's BB. BB. And that's Sky. Sky. Nope. I'm going to pick up BB. Come on, BB. She'll do it better. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. And yeah. And she's a nice bird. She doesn't bite that hard. Unfortunately, oof. Come on. Put back in the cage. This one right here is rude to me. He bites me. It's very painful. And Sky is rude to my bird. They're fighting. And yeah, this I almost broke my back on. And yeah, I can go this way. That's the feet area. And I do this. Nope. Yeah, I did it. I'm flying towards Mom's room. Ouch. If I ran in through the wall, I might be dead. But I'm going to give you a closer look. Well, I already did, but BB, 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 BB. Hey, that's us. BB, say hi. If this one's your favorite one, comment below, BB. If BB is your favorite bird, just say it. And yeah. If Sky's your favorite bird, comment below. And yeah. Okay. Those two, BB and Sky, are females, and this Bluey, just comment below. Bluey's your favorite bird, even though I can't get them that fast. Hi. Say hi to the comments. Hi. He said hi. And comment below if Bluey's your favorite bird. But if he's not, just comment below the other ones. And yeah. Bye. I'll see you in the next part.